Hi, this is Jason Culp with North Technologies. Today I'm going to run you through a couple different processes of uploading point clouds to Autodesk Construction Cloud so that you can share them with part of the team and connecting them through the desktop connector. The first example is the new recap option to be able to upload to the cloud directly. That works great. The problem with it is that you only have your setup positions as an option to view. Second option with a recap file is to upload the two files separately, so the RCP and then the support file. Unfortunately, you can't upload a support file, so you have to basically create a subfolder that is named exactly what your support file is that Revit or Recap created, and then you need to transfer all of those support files into that file. You'll see here we just went as an example to set up a support file or a subdirectory file, and it's got to be named the exact same as what Recap has here. Once we do that, we can go into that file and we can actually add those in there. So this would be how we add a subfolder, and then we go into that subfolder, and you can see here that we have all of those RCSs in there already. Now if I pull up the File Explorer here and I go into that file, you'll see I'll select all of them and then I'll just drag and drop them into that file. Now for time's sakes, I've already done that, so you can see that those files actually match. If I put these side by side right here, you'll see that those two files actually have the same data in them, and they're named exactly the same as well. So now at this point, those being in the same folder, the Recap project should work as it does on your local computer. So if we just click on it here, you can see we go into the cloud, we can look through it, we've got an actual cloud model, and we've got our little spheres for our setups as well. So we double click on one of those and we go right into our setup, double click on another one, and we can move around the project. We can also get back out of the setup views, get back into the cloud view just by clicking the button on the bottom. Now, if we go into one of the setup clouds, you can see here that we still have all the measuring tools and everything like that that we would have in a normal Recap project. So you can see here, we can just measure from this pipe down to the floor. This is a great option for somebody that does not have CloudWorks, but is able to get to BIM, okay? And we can download these files as well later on if we want to. Method 3 is using an LGS. This is a Leica add-on, which is called CloudWorks. CloudWorks is a little bit faster because of the fact that the file is 40% smaller, but you don't sacrifice any data, okay? Now you can see here that we're going to go ahead and connect to the cloud and get our LGS file through the desktop connector. This desktop connector, when you go to access it, it looks like you're just opening up a regular file. You're going right through File Explorer, and this is all because of that desktop connector, okay? So this file was drag and dropped into the cloud itself when it was open. In here you can see that we have isometric view. It's a little slow right here just for a second because it's still loading. The first time, like I said, it loads all the cache and temp files, so it'll take a little bit longer to load the first time, but after it's loaded the first time, it'll always open instantly. All right, so we can go ahead and we can change the intensity view here. We can go ahead and create some clips. We'll put it on that side here. You can see it's moving a little bit faster now that it's all loaded. We'll do a Z clip. So we'll go over here and we'll just grab that, that drop down here, say Z, and then we'll go ahead and just clip it somewhere around the first floor. I think we got to go back and double click that again here, and double click that, and then we get our slice. And the intention here is just to show you that even though it's in the cloud still, you can use all the normal functions you would if the point cloud itself was local. So if you're interested in any of these workflows, give us a call here at NOR and we'll help you out.